Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Adventure Hoppers. Today I've got something really unique to share with you. We took a little detour from the usual theme park spots like Disney and Universal and headed straight into the Construction Zone restaurant. But don't worry, no hard hats needed unless it's part of your outfit, of course. This restaurant is located just off of Highway 192 in Kissimmee, Florida. It is by the Margaritaville Resort in Orlando and is just minutes from Disney World Magic Kingdom. This is the Construction Zone restaurant where heavy machinery meets heavy appetites. And trust me, the theming here is absolutely next level. You'll see everything from traffic signs to road cones to scaffolding and ladders. There is just so much to look at. They also have a really unique photo op experience where you can put on a hard hat and safety vest and take a picture in front of the concrete mixer or on the steel beam, which has a photo backdrop like you were on the top of a skyscraper, which is really, really cool. I happened to order the Southern Fried Chicken Mac, which was very creamy, and my wife Amanda ordered the Cat D4 burger, which was very flavorful, and she really enjoyed that very much. If you would like to enjoy a tasty adult beverage while you are there, they have got you covered. They have got a full service bar called Rebar, which includes beer, cocktails, and wine for those interested. Everywhere you look in this restaurant, the attention to detail is wild. They really committed to the theme, and it absolutely pays off. There's even an Excavator themed table that looks like it's coming straight out of the wall. And yes, we got to eat at that table. How cool is that? They even have this really unique and beautiful painted mural on the wall paying tribute to the Disney and Universal theme parks, since all of the parks are just minutes away from the restaurant. All in all, we had an amazing experience at the Construction Zone. The service was top-notch, the staff was friendly, attentive, and they really added to the overall amazing experience. So thank you so much to the wonderful staff at the restaurant. Thanks for tagging along on this little adventure with us. Please do us a favor, don't forget to hit that like button if you dig themed restaurants as much as we do, and subscribe for more offbeat dining experiences. We will have more in the future. Until next time, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.